Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Proform Error Code 65003. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. According to our research, the error comes when users try to start their Proform device in manual mode. As per our research, this error may come because of a temporary glitch or if your device needs an update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to reboot your device and try again. If the error still comes, then check if your device needs any updates. If there is an update, install it and restart the device, then check for the error again. At last, if the error continues for too long, then you should report the issue to the support team. To do that, go to proform.com and scroll to the footer section. There, select the support option to find all the details to contact the service team. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.